Yo, welcome back to the channel. Many of you think you know what price discrimination is. But if we talk about the diagram, 90% of students, even the ones aiming for a level 7, cannot draw it correctly. Are you ready to separate yourself from the average student? Let's go. First of all, why does the person sitting next to you on a flight pay half the price you did? Is it because their meal cost less? No, it's because the airline knows they can squeeze more money out of you. Let's look at the strict definition. If you just say charging different prices, you fail immediately. You must say selling the same product at different prices to different consumers, where the difference is unrelated to the difference in cost of production. For example, if a fancy restaurant charges $100 and a street stall charges $10, that is not price discrimination. The decoration, service, and food quality are completely different, meaning the costs are different. That is just product differentiation. To pull off price discrimination, a firm needs 3 strict conditions. First, monopoly power. You must be a price maker. Second, separable markets. You need to be able to distinguish between consumers based on their price elasticity of demand, identifying the desperate business traveler, who is inelastic, versus the broke student, who is elastic. Third, and most importantly, no resale. You cannot let the cheap ticket holder resell it to the rich guy. That's called preventing arbitrage. Now let's move to the diagram. This is the boss fight. We are drawing third-degree price discrimination, which is the most common type. You need a 3-panel setup. On the far right, you have the total market. On the left, the elastic market, the students. In the middle, the inelastic market, the business travelers. Here is the key. Marginal cost is constant. We simplify the model by drawing one horizontal MC line that cuts across all 3 graphs. This means the cost of serving an extra passenger is the same, regardless of who they are. Next, we need the revenue curves. In the total market, you aggregate the demand. Now, apply the profit maximization rule, MR, MC. Find the intersection point in the elastic market. Go up to the demand curve to set the price. You'll get a lower price. Now do the same for the inelastic market. Find where MR hits MC. Go up to the steep demand curve. You will see clearly that the price is significantly higher. This gap proves mathematically why the airline charges you more, not because of cost, but because you are more inelastic. In the next video, we will cover first and second degree price discrimination, where the firm gets even greedier. See you there.